Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2578 code, don't ignore it. This code is related to the direct ozone reduction catalyst temperature sensor, which helps the AQ monitor the temperature of the emissions control system. What does P2578 mean? P2578 stands for Direct Ozone Reduction Catalyst Temperature Sensor Circuit Range Performance. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the temperature sensor's signal is not operating within the expected range. The AQ uses this sensor to monitor catalyst temperature and make sure the emissions system is working correctly. If the sensor reports an unrealistic, unstable, or incorrect temperature, the ECU can store P2578. Common symptoms you may notice: check engine light on, increased exhaust emissions, poor fuel economy, failed emissions testing, additional emissions-related trouble codes, and sometimes reduced engine performance. In some vehicles, normal driving may feel almost unchanged sensor location. The direct ozone reduction catalyst temperature sensor is located in the exhaust system near the ozone reduction catalyst. The exact location depends on the vehicle. Because the sensor operates close to the exhaust, it is exposed to extreme heat and vibration. Common causes: the most common causes include faulty catalyst temperature sensor, damaged wiring, loose electrical connector, corroded connector terminals, poor sensor power or ground, exhaust system problems, or AQ problems in rare cases. A faulty sensor or damaged wiring is one of the first things you should check. Quick diagnosis: first, scan for additional emissions-related trouble codes. Inspect the sensor and wiring for heat damage. Check the connector for corrosion, moisture, or loose terminals. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's power, ground, and signal. Then monitor live temperature data using a professional obd2 scan tool. Compare the sensor reading with the actual exhaust temperature and manufacturer specifications. How to fix P2578. Repair damaged wiring, repair poor electrical connections. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Replace the temperature sensor if testing confirms failure. Repair any exhaust-related problems, clear the code. Then perform a road test while monitoring the sensor readings. Final result: fixing P2578 will restore accurate catalyst temperature monitoring, improve emissions system operation, reduce harmful emissions, and help keep the check engine light OFF. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.